Hello Lego fans, today's video is about making one of the best Lego sets ever produced even better. Of course I'm talking about the massive Eiffel Tower. This is such a statement Lego set and conversation piece for any home, but when you add lights, it makes it even more amazing. Starting at the top, the light kit has a bright red flashing aviation light and 3 separate zones of lighting so that the lights can be animated, which I will show later in the video. Each zone has a set of exterior floodlights, interior lighting to light up the vertical structures, and deck lighting. As you pan down the tower, you can probably see some of the wiring and even some of the connection boards. But even though this set feels like it has like miles of wiring, you can hide it pretty well within the structure, so you really don't even notice it. The bottom level also has lighting under the arches, which really light up the ground under the tower. So here are some progress photos showing what it's like to add the lighting kit to the tower after it's assembled, and I do think it's easier to add the light kit after the tower is assembled rather than while you're trying to build it. It's a very tedious process to break down the tower and route the wiring, but if you take your time, it's relatively simple. I would highly recommend that you test the light strips and floodlights before installing them, and then do periodic testing of each section as you go. That will prevent problems down the road. When plugging the wires into the expansion boards, it's very important to make sure they are going in correctly so you don't damage them. The top of the tower also has a light inside some translucent bricks, which is a really nice added touch. A set of tweezers will also come in handy so you can route the wires through the structure and plug the wires into the expansion boards. So here's the control board and the remote receiver, which has a separate input for each of the 4 zones of the tower. At the end of the video, I will show all the different lighting functions of the control board. The light kit is powered by a USB so that you can plug it into any power source, a power block, a wall outlet, etc., which I would highly recommend over using a battery pack, which this lighting kit would drain really quickly. There are some lighting kits that have multi-colors, but I prefer the classic warm white look that you can't get from the multicolor sets. So overall, I'm quite impressed with this light kit. I know the Eiffel Tower is already a very expensive set, but I think it's worth the extra money, time, and effort because it's such a dramatic upgrade to the tower without lights. I will leave a description below for the light kit as well as a table, which is the perfect size for the tower. I hope this video can help others that are thinking about adding lights to their Eiffel Tower. Please comment below if you have any questions about this lighting kit, or how it compares to another lighting kit that you have installed. And finally, here is some video of all the different functions this lighting set has. Until next time, a bientôt!